Good morning, folks. Hope you people are doing good, right? So, welcome to my channel, Life Skill Guru, whose handle name is Learn with Sumit. So, today I am going to make a video for A1 level beginner users. So, don't worry about perfect grammar today. Today, we are not trying to become English expert. Okay, we are simply learning how to survive and communicate confidently in basic English using simple daily words, emotions, and real life situations. Cool? So let's start. So you can see the pictures, it's amazing. So where is the toilet? How much I need help? So if you can come up with this, if you first of all know the simple, before making your brain into the much grammar but small English as my first video told, then we can easily go to the survival mode. Let's see how. Okay, it's a hello learners. This bot is welcoming you with a keyword called hello. So today we will learn greetings, introductions, thank you, goodbye, and everyday communication. That's it. Part 1, greetings. Picture idea. Someone is laughing, two smiling people meeting. When two smiling people meeting, you should use the keyword hello, meaning a simple greeting. The example, hello, how are you? So the brain take is imagine hello as opening the door of communication. So when you want to open a door of communications, because you may feel that some awkward situation when you meet someone, so you keep mum or your brain got popped up with many ideas what to tell and how to start the communication. So this is the trick. Imagine hello is the door of the communication. You can open the door of the communication with hello. How are you? Fine. Then picture idea. Sun rising in the morning. See, the sun is rising in the morning and here is a hen. So good morning. Before 12 p.m. Good morning, teacher. Okay, good morning, Sumit. So you can use this to greet. And when you see the scorching sun, bright afternoon with student, good afternoon. Use 12 p.m. to evening. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. And when you see stars and moons, then obviously it's evening time, right? Good evening. Good evening, sir. So quick practice. Teacher says good morning. So what students will repeat? Good morning, right? So this is the so we come across about the greeting parts. So what is the door means opening doorway of a greeting? That is hello. Then how we greet? Good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Okay. So now we move to the part 2 introductions. So this boy is pointing his finger to at himself. A boy pointing at himself. My name is dash dash dash, meaning tell someone who you are. Example, my name is Rahul. So memoretic, point to yourself while speaking. Fine. See, some handshake and smileys are there. Two students shaking hands. Nice to meet you. Meaning a polite reply when meeting someone. Example, nice to meet you, Ria. So if I and Ria met, so we can shake our hands and we can tell that nice to meet you, Ria. Cool. Now see the picture, child smiling confidently, meaning tell where you are from. I am from India. I am from Kolkata. I am from Chennai. Okay? So these are the simple forms, simple English. Mini role play. A student 1. Hello, my name is Aman. Then what student 2 will tell? Hi Aman, nice to meet you. And they can shake their hands too. So we came across how to open our communications, how to greet, how to introduce ourselves. And now part 3 is some magic words. Let's see what it is. A child receiving a gift. Okay, thank you. Meaning show appreciation. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for getting this. Thank you for being beside me. Okay, so whenever we receive something, we can tell thank you. This is the common gesture. Br- People feel emotionally happy when they hear thank you. This is, you must use thank you because it's a common humbleness or the gesture. Okay. Then a child making a mistake accidentally. When you come across some mistake, because nobody is perfect and right, then you can apologize politely by using the word sorry. Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I got it wrong. Like this. Now you can see two friends leaving the school. What we say, goodbye or bye, a friendly farewell. Goodbye, teacher. Now, from a funny memory game. Now you can see students say thank you, students say sorry, students say goodbye. So now, if being a teacher, I say, hey Ria, why did you make this mistake after telling you several times? Then what would be the answer? Thank you, ma'am, or sorry, ma'am, or goodbye, ma'am? It would be sorry, right? Now, if I say, um, hey Ria, I'm ready to help you after the class for your homework also. Then what would be the answer? Goodbye, sorry, or thank you? Yeah, obviously, thank you, ma'am. Now, if I say, okay, we are done with today's class, see you next day. Then what would be the answers of the student? Yeah, absolutely. Goodbye, ma'am. Now, part 4, grammar, simple grammar, recognition, not memorization. Simple grammar pattern. I am. Okay. You see that I am happy. I am Rahul. I am a student. Wrong. I is Rahul is wrong. Correct. I am Rahul. Now remember this. This is your lessons for today. This is the takeaway. Brain trick. I always works with am. You can see two peoples are working. So I and am is working together. So I is Rahul is wrong. I am Rahul is correct. I am student is correct. I am Rahul. I am happy is correct. Got it? Fantastic. Now part 5, story plus associations. A new student story. Imagine a new student entering a school. Hello means he is greeting. My name is Arjun means he is introducing. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Goodbye. Now, wow, he can survive English. With this English only, simple English, one can move from a beginner level, zero level to the survival mode. Now, this is my signature part. Remember this moment, bulb on moment, hint. Hello, introduce yourself. Nice to meet you and thank you. Hint help you to start communications. Because Starting a communications is the basic part where student struggles. Basically, the beginner A1 learner struggles. So I hope this will help you a lot. So let us conclude today's video. Let me know with your comments, likes, and subscriptions how you like the video, and learn smarter, think better, grow faster with life hack, means with life skill guru, and learn with Sumit handle. Thank you. Bye bye.